Hi there, I'm Alexa. Welcome to my Fiverr gig. I'm a certified digital marketing expert based in the UK, and my passion is to help businesses grow. I specialize in paid advertising, such as Google Ads, and have over 5 years of experience in this field. Throughout my years in digital marketing, I have spent some time as an in-house marketer for a small business, years at a large media agency, and then decided to focus on freelancing so that I can help more business owners with my skills. I work with startups, small to medium businesses, e-commerce businesses, as well as large corporations with budgets exceeding £1 million per month. My Google Ads campaign setup includes keyword research, negative keywords, writing compelling ad copy, crafting ad extensions, selecting a suitable bidding strategy, as well as a free optimization after 5 to 7 days your campaign has launched to make sure it's heading to the right direction. Whether it is your first time trying Google Ads or you have tried before but it didn't quite work out, send me a message and let's discuss how I can help.